Look, I hate to break it to you, but it's your fault, bro. She left you because of your own actions. You got nobody else to blame. I don't want you to blame women. I don't want you to blame any external factors. It's your fault. Mainly because you've been listening to all this crap online. Red pill out here got you thinking that it's normal or it's okay to have multiple women loyal to you, that you can be hooking up with multiple women at the same time. That's not how it works. And just because it's our biology, yes, right? We can impregnate 100 women a year. They can only take one child. That is biology. We get it. That doesn't mean it necessarily is the best thing for ourselves. It doesn't mean it's in our best interest. Statistically speaking, we know it's not. A nuclear family where there's a mom and a dad, a two-parent household, is the best thing statistically for your own procreation. It's proven, right? Stats are stats. By every single metric, those kids that are within a single family will always outperform the kids that are with single parent families. Meaning, it's not the best thing to be hooking up left and right. You got STDs to worry about. You got countless of pregnancies to worry about. And not to mention, you got other people on the other side. Women are people. They got feelings. You got to treat your woman right. She will leave and run off to another dude like you're in your current situation. This takes me to number 2. You're infatuated with women. I mean, I think all men are infatuated with women, but you probably have an uncontrolled desire for them. And partly it's not your fault, by the way. I'm going to give you this, where we are constantly bombarded by sexualized women, right? Instagram, TikTok. 6 out of every TikTok is just women shaking their ass. I get it, bro. But you can't feed into that, right? You have to keep scrolling. You have to keep pushing. Ignore it. Yo, that thumb might hurt, but you got to scroll past that thing. Because when you sit there and then you add more and more, and all you see is ass all day, all you see is women as meat, then TikTok is really like soft porn. Because what ends up happening, you know what ends up happening, you're going to roll over to Pornhub. And now you're opening 20 to 30 different tabs of every chick you want to masturbate to. You're in this over-obsession of women. Do you see how messed up this is? It's like you're having a sexual encounter with 100 women a day because you're jacking off to all of them. Now you're comparing your girl thinking, man, she's not enough. Man, I wish I had that. I wish I had that one or that one or this one or that one or that one. Yo, the grass is not greener. The girl you got is probably a good girl. And when you're in this mentality, nobody will ever be enough. It doesn't matter how many you get. It'll never be enough. You'll never find that one girl that's a ride or die, right? That has your back. And if you do have it right now, you need to drop this over-sexualization you have with women. Which takes me to number 3, because most of you get complacent. This is why she left. This is why she's not with you, bro. Have you ever seen a couple that's been in a relationship for 2 years? Or shoot, even a married couple? It's pathetic. The guy's pathetic. They let go completely. They let go of their friends. They let go of their hobbies. They let go of their purpose. They let go of their body, all to live with her. Because now they think, oh, bro, I already got the girl. I don't got to do jack. You become complacent. And that is not within our nature, bro. I'm a married man. And I'm still on point. I'm still ready at any aspect of life. Business, fitness, mentally. Like, I work on myself daily, right? Because this progress of self-development is for yourself, right? When I talk about girls, it's because obviously all of you probably want to go. And you need to understand, they will come because of your personality, because you built that innately. It doesn't matter if you have or don't have a girl, you stay primed, right? But most of you become complacent. You let go. You develop the dad bod. It's pathetic, right? You dive into this hole. Of course, she no longer is with the man she fell in love with. She's going to deuce to the other dude that's war ready, that's still in his prime. 4, your ego. As a man, we're not taught to admit when we're wrong, which is messed up. You need to see your faults. Every time you screw up, you should be able to admit it, especially in a relationship. It's part of growth, right? Like, every time you screw up, it's okay to admit. It doesn't make you less of a man, and it's because you think it does, is what has her running away to another dude. Which ultimately brings me to number 5. You cheat, bro. You're a cheater. I really believe in male excellence in every aspect of your life, right? And how you do anything is how you do everything. I should tat that on myself. Right? You should put that as a daily reminder, meaning business, perfection. Your gym, perfection. Your relationship, perfection, right? You should be at a level of excellence across the board. And I'm not telling you you're going to default, right? It's normal to default. It's normal to fall short. But that's what your standard should be. Your standard should not be, I'm the man and I'm going to cheat on her just because that's how it is, right? That's not the standard, because I promise you, she's going to be unhappy. She's going to be miserable. And there will be a dude, because, bro, dudes are waiting on the sideline for your girl They're just waiting. They're like sharks. And when she comes to them crying like and telling her all her problems, like, oh, this guy doesn't treat, guess whose shoulder she's crying on? It's your fault she left you, bro. You did that, all right?